In this video, I'll show you how to remove the radio of your Toyota Rav4. So what you need to do to remove the radio is to, well, first remove the whole bezel that has the air vents. And I really like the fact that Toyota has exposed all the screws. Now you probably wonder what kind of screws are these. Well, let me tell you right now, you'll need a T35 bit, just like that, Torx 35. So let me start over here. Make sure to not lose them. Once you remove the screws, you can try with your fingers, if you have nails, to go right between the dash and the panel and try to pry it. If your panel is not loose enough, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or one of these tools. I'll put a link in the description if you don't have one of these. Very useful to remove trims. All right, this is off. And now over here, you see there's 10mm bolt, another one there, and same thing on the other side that we'll need to remove. So let's go ahead, let's get a 10mm socket. This one is quite deep inside the dash, so you may need an extension to have access to those ones. So I got my extension. Again, make sure you don't drop them inside of the dash because it will be very hard to get them afterwards. Once you are done, simply grab the radio and pull it out. You're gonna have a few cables. Press on this latch on the top and pull the connector. Like that. Do the same thing for the other one. Be careful because the radio will drop if you're not holding it. Right now I'm holding my phone, so it's a bit hard to hold both. And finally you have the radio antenna that you just need to pull. There's no latch. You got your radio out in your Toyota Rav4. Now when time comes to replace it, you will need to take out the brackets on the side of the radio. Okay, you need to keep these. As you see, 10mm or Phillips head screwdriver to remove these brackets. Put them on your new radio and do the same thing but in reverse. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below if it worked. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.